Hey everybody, this is Kayla with Becky's Graphic Design in Nashville, Tennessee. Today we're going to go over a very irritating ebook error, something that has only been happening for the past couple of months with a new InDesign update. Hopefully they fix this problem within the next little while and this video will become irrelevant. But for the meantime, let me show you how to fix it. So here is a book that I have exported out of InDesign. Now we're going to go ahead and display the error by using my ePub checker by Pagina. All right, I'm going to drag my ebook file over here. All right, so as we can see, this is not going to pass validation when you try to upload it. It has quite a few fatal errors that will cause it to not be accepted by certain platforms. The main one being RSC-012. Now, I had never seen this code before until the last year or so. It is simply being caused by an InDesign export setting. Let me show you where to find it. So when we go to export this ebook, let's export to ePub. We want to do a reflowable. All right, now let's check our settings. So you can do anything you want to in all of these tabs, but the one that's going to mess you up is this right here. Page navigation. This is what causes the problem. Simply uncheck that box and you will no longer get the RCS errors anymore. Basically what it does is it creates a text anchor on every single page. It tries to translate the print book into the ebook and create a page anchor for each and every individual page break, and it usually ends up one number off, causing a broken link. And then you would have to go in and update the numbers for each and every one in order for it to work properly. Couldn't explain to you why this happens or why it happens incorrectly, but this is the fix. Just uncheck page navigation, and that'll get you where you need to go. That will get rid of your RCS-012 error. If anyone's interested in going more into depth as to why this happens, I could make another video that kind of shows you the code in the back end of why that happens, but for the meantime, I think this is really all you need. Just an explanation of how to make it stop happening. So, thank you everybody. I hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.